my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. I am sending all of the love first off, and today's video, as you've read in the title, is a Born Pretty PR unboxing and swatching. And y'all, I got some revolutionary, gorgeous products for you to see and for me to swatch. So let's get into all of the magic. A huge thank you goes out to Cynthia, my Born Pretty representative. Thank you for sending over these gorgeous, gorgeous gels and products. And I hope I make you proud and swatch these until I can't swatch no more. So we are going to be doing demos and just figuring out how some of these products top one another and just literally showing you the layer magic, because I have a feeling that pat gel that you're going to be seeing shortly is going to work like a dream with that liquid chrome. So there's a jelly up in here, a jelly in the house. This is a gorgeous blue jelly that will have all of the mermaids super, the word's coming out again, jelly. It is just so beautiful. We also have this CG130, which is a stunning sparkle black. It's like galaxy in a bottle. It is so beautiful. Now this one is a bit more sheer, so you do have to do about 3 thin coats, but then you have this gorgeous intergalactic party on the nail. Now this was the pat gel that I was mentioning, and I have never tried Born Pretty like any kind of painting gels, so I was very excited to try that. And y'all, this is not just a neon extension gel. You read right, luminous, which means this baby glows. So we are going to be doing all of the science experiments with her. There are so many things I want to try with this. I want to try to do glow in the dark flowers. I have seen Queen Envy use polygel, glow in the dark polygel to do flowers, so I definitely want to try with this extension gel because it has the perfect viscosity. But first of all, we need to play around with her and see how she glows. So I'm just going to take a swatch stick and a little dollop and pat, 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 and see the consistency of this beautiful extension gel. Now, I found that this actually had a different consistency than their other extension gels, but they're so easy to work with. And as long as you're using a clean finger, more like a clean gloved finger, it is really important to note that you're not using your bare hands, only because of allergies, and as well you'll be introducing your body oil onto it, and that will completely change the structure of the gel, having lifting issues and things like that. So it's really important to use gloves when you're using that product. And as you saw, it had a glow for days. At the end of the video, I'm going to be showing a longer clip of that glow in the dark, but that was so satisfying. Now this is Born Pretty's Super Cat Eye. Now the shifts are subtle but so beautiful, and it literally looks like they crushed up diamonds. So I was madly in love with that. So as we continue this swatch party, some of this is going to be in real time and some of it's going to be sped up, but I just wanted you to see the pure quality of these products. They're just so luscious. So I've dipped into that pat paint gel, and I am patting for my heart's content. And this is a 1 coat coverage. It is so opaque, beautiful, and that's why I couldn't resist. I had to use this as the background for the liquid chrome. It was just too glorious. I really give this painting gel like a 10 out of 10. Also later in this video, I'm going to try to do swirls and little designs and just see how well it paints. But I can already tell by the way that moved with the application brush that it is just such great quality. So I am putting a little bit of the liquid chrome on a sponge, waiting 60 seconds, and then I'm going to pat on the pat gel. We got pat on pat action. Now, my beautiful family, I cannot get over how much I am obsessed with liquid powder chrome. It is revolutionary. It is such a fun product to work with. And once you get the hang of it, as you see, there's no mess. The application is so smooth. And after trying AP004, I really wanted to try another one. So I cannot thank you enough, Born Pretty, for sending this glorious chrome. It is so beautiful and it has green and purple shifts. Now, the reason why I also wanted to try this is because this chrome mirror top coat is literally designed for this liquid powder and any other chromes you use to seal it in for ultimate perfection, and just so that it's scratch resistant, you don't have any of your powders peeling or anything of that nature. Now, the only time I've really heard of gel peeling or have seen that is usually when it's on the natural nail and there's not proper prep, so it's very oily. But as long as you cap your free edge, you are going to have no problem. You're going to have this gorgeous mirror mani for weeks, y'all. And you are going to literally be the star of the party. This chrome is so beautiful. Next up for the swatch party is Born Pretty Super Cat Eye. Now this silver cat eye is so beautiful. I wanted to first show you on a clear swatch. Though it is subtle, it is so beautiful. As I was saying before, it looks like thousands of crushed up baby diamonds. It is so beautiful. And once you take out that magnet and allow those magnetic particles to move as they do, it just creates such a gorgeous finish. I'm also going to be taking that beautiful mermaid jelly blue and we're going to stack that on top to see how beautiful she is. That is one of my guilty pleasures with jellies. I love to top them on cat eyes. I just think they look so beautiful and it adds an instant dimension. This is like the Cinderella moment, glass slipper on. There is something so beautiful about it's translucent, but at the same time, the silver shifts are so bright. It just literally makes the nail glow. I am a huge fan of Born Pretty's magnetic formula. It does not fall fast, so you can play around with the design and then cure her. But it's just the shifts are so stunning. Now, what's really fun about Super Cat Eyes is you can top them, you can put them on a myriad of background colors, or as you just saw, you can do it on a clear base. You can do swirls, the options are endless, literally. Wherever your creativity takes you, this Super Cat Eye will not let you down. Now this jelly, as I was saying, I could not resist to put her on here just for that extra dimension and for you to see the sheerness of the jelly. But if you want, you can continue to build her up to have a gorgeous deep jelly blue. But this light baby blue I am also living for. So as you see with Born Pretty's products, you can use thin coats to get more sheer opacities, or you can double her up to get a more opaque finish. But as you saw again for that pat gel only needed one thin coat. So as you can see, it's just quality for days. Now I wanted to also show you on a black background that gorgeous Super Cat Eye for anybody that was having trouble seeing it shift on that clear base. And also I love, Envy has taught me very well, Charm Sister science is essential. So before you can even start doing sets with these products, I really love to swatch and test out and see different things so you can really get to the fullest potential of these products. Now I am so tickled pink. The way this moved with the flower magnet, y'all, I am shook. I have no words. It is so beautiful. And I'm also going to try with the matte top coat on that baby to see what it looks like. And that's going to be just in a moment after I finish swatching this intergalactic dream. Now this is the one I was mentioning is a bit more sheer, but that's not a problem because you just work thin coats. I did 3 thin coats and it did not bulk out the nail at all. But this, again, there's like a hollow in there. It is just so beautiful and dynamic. Now, I swear it is like Christmas Day every time a Born Pretty package arrives because I know I'm going to have the most fun time swatching and doing science and creating all of the magic. But I didn't want to get too into everything without mentioning there are Born Pretty discount codes that I'm going to be putting in the description box below so you can save 10% off. I also urge you to run over to their site. They have a really fun game. It's like a wheel that gives you different percentages off, and they always have like an amazing sale going. Their products are so affordable, and for the quality you get, it's almost like pinch me. You can't believe the price. So I would really urge you guys to go over and try some of these products because they are so beautiful and the quality is out of control. Now, this is one of my favorite parts of this swatching magic. I took my Nicole J brush and I just wanted to see the consistency, how the lines go, if you have like patchy, if it's patchy going down, like how it looks. And I can't get over how smooth this is to work with. So my science brain was tingling and I just wondered if I cured this for 30 seconds and then just went in with the liquid chrome powder, how it would adhere, if we would have a mess, if it would go on smoothly. So we are going to test that out in just one moment. We are just going to set these gorgeous swirls and lines, and then we are going to test that theory out. My beautiful nail family, I am shooketh. For my very first time using their painting gel, it was so smooth and easy to work with. That would make doing nail art, character art a dream. And now seeing 30 seconds cure, look at this bad baby. Oh my goodness, the adhesion of the liquid chrome powder was seamless. I did not have it. I did wipe the nail before I began so that it wouldn't stick to anything else. And now we're going to go in with the chrome top coat, chrome mirror top coat, so that it can shine to ultimate perfection. Now the fact that this nail is glow in the dark and chrome all at the same time is just heavenly. And I'll be showing you videos of that glow in the dark shortly, like literally in 2 minutes. But this chrome mirror top coat is such a shiny glass finish. It is so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my gorgeous nail family. I know this is a little bit of a longer one, but science rules. And I could not just swatch these, and I had to let the creativity flow, and I had so many questions about how certain things worked, so I am really glad that I got to do swatching and science today, because these products truly stood the test, and I am in love with every single one of them. You are going to see full sets and shorts coming your way very soon. And again, I'm going to leave all of the links in the description box below so you can grab yourself any of these goodies, especially the revolutionary glow in the dark extension gel, liquid powder, and super cat eyes. They're so beautiful. Now look at this glow in the dark magic, y'all. Glow in the dark is literal, like, as I just said, magic. It's magic before your eyes. It is one of the most fun effects. It is great for Halloween, but also year round. And I'm just so like, whew. I am now making no sense because Born Pretty just broke my brain. Everything was just so beautiful. Thank you for sending out all of these goodies. And please make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future Born Pretty content or any of the other nail magic that will be on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful charm squad. I am sending you the biggest hugs. Oh, I just pray this video found you so well, wherever in the world you are. And again, I'm sending all my love. Mwah. See you in the next one.